Oh hey, I'm back. It's me, Turbles Celbor, your favorite FOSS gamer, here on the dead internet, and today I'm going to try something different. That's right, it's fucking scripted content time. Today I'm going to show you how to play games for free on your Linux machine by installing them from your distro's app store. Yeah, that's right, it's free. So if you want to play a game for free on your Linux machine, it's actually pretty easy to get games. I'm not kidding. I'm using Fedora Linux here, which has the GNOME desktop environment. If you're using a different version of Linux, like Mint or Ubuntu, the equivalent is called Software Manager and Software Center, respectively. Either way, this is the easiest way to get games, and you can be sure that if it's in your distro's app store, it's at least free and open source, and quite honestly, it often don't cost no money either. So here we are, so many games. You'll notice that the GNOME Software Center, if I click on a game, that there's this little drop down right here. That's the app repository or repo that this software is being sourced from. For now, I'm going to stick with the stock Fedora repo or FlatHub, as I can be sure that at least on this distro, these will almost always work without tinkering. So to get this, all I have to do is click install, and thanks to the magic of editing, it's good to go. So what kind of games are on here? They're mostly personal projects or small one or two person development teams. Some of them are incredible, and some are okay, and others are more like what you'd see in a very early development stage for most video games. It's known as the alpha stage. Today I'm going to pick this amazing gem, Beyond All Reason, which is an RTS in the style of Cave Dog's Total Annihilation from the 1997 era. I've had no issues getting this to work right away without any tinkering. I just hit open in the software center, or I can use the super/Windows key and just type in the app name like this. From here, I use the software's own interface to start the game. For some games, like this one, the initial startup time may be longer, as the game has to be configured to your system specifications. Shaders, am I right? But once we're through that initial step, the game is up and running and ready for hours of fun. So anyway, that's how you get free software on your Linux machine using your distro's app store. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. I know there's a lot of new users out there eager to get into the wonderful world of Linux.